Action verbs. Listen. Children are listening to their teacher. Eat. A woman is eating her breakfast. Study. A girl is studying at home. Play. Children are playing with the cat. Cook. A man is cooking spaghetti. Laugh. Watch. A woman is watching a video and laughing. Work. Colleagues are working in the office. Clean. A woman is cleaning her house. Walk. A man is walking in the park. Read. A woman is reading a book to her daughter. Help. A teacher is helping a girl to hold the violin. Jump. A girl is jumping on the bed. Dance. Young people are dancing on the beach. Drive. She is driving her car. Look. Drink. A woman is drinking tea and looking at the sea. Write. A girl is writing on the board. Talk. Women are talking on their way to work. Run. A young woman is running in the park. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and watch other educational videos.